how to edit your server name on Discord PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your server name on Discord PC easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Discord. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to your server. This is my server. Now go up to this option right here on the name of the server, click on it and go to edit server profile, and now right here you will find the nickname and you can change it just from here, and after you finish click save changes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.